So sad to say, there are things that I need to say goodbye na talaga. Goodbye. We're studying right now. Earlier we did some English and reading lessons, and right now we're doing math. Currently working right now for trim bed. Hi guys, we're back again sa mugna nga. Earlier pinupitan ng husband ko yung cousin ko, yung son ko, tapos si Lola. After this ako. So muna siya ang back. Really kay maklaro, no? So as much as I really wanted to retain them, but this will be thrown away because sorry ha, hindi naman ako nag-ano ng makeup, but then ano talaga siya na-store ko kasi siya sa place wherein nakalimutan ko na saan ko siya nalagay. So it happens na I don't know what happened. Pag check ko, kasi these are one of my faves. Pag check ko, meron na siyang molds, guys. And I don't want to compromise my skin or using these products kasi alam nyo naman ako, if hanggat kaya niya siyang gamitin, especially for my makeup tutorials, ginagamit ko siya. But then ito, hindi na talaga pwede. Kasi as you can see, yan. I don't know if makikita nyo, meron na siyang mga nag-molds siya. Tingnan nyo. Yan, meron siyang molds. So, kailangan talaga siyang i-discard, guys. Kasi, you know naman, hindi ito pwede sa skin natin kasi because of the mold, sensitive yung skin natin, hindi natin aano yung skin natin dahil sa for skin irritation. It can cause more skin irritation, guys. So wag na. If meron kayo mga makeups na I need to say goodbye to you, dear. Kasi it's not really good. Meron na siyang mga molds. It can cause really irritation to our skin, and which leads to more skin problems. So bye-bye. Mostly ito. I have also here a Revlon. Yan, nag-molds na siya. Ito ring eyeshadow na to, nag-molds. And ito, sayang, itong long wear eyeshadow. Super love ko pa naman ito. And, nag-mold na talaga siya. I don't know if I can retain the brush, pero hindi na kasi ano na to hindi na to pwede. And ito, bronzer, gustong gusto ko to, pero nag-molds na talaga din siya. And ito, I don't want to risk, kasama kasi dito siya, so kailangan ko rin tong tapon. And ito, super favorite ko to, ang tagal niyang maubos, guys, but then I need to say goodbye to this as well. Molds. Grabing mga molds, no? Walang patawad sa mga makeup. So guys, medyo tumaas na yung ano ko, yung gupit ko dito. Pinatrim ko lang kasi mahaba na. Test, but deliver us from evil. Amen.